Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video I'm going to be putting a Kap Industries fire extinguisher seat bracket into this old 80 series landcruiser. And this is a fire extinguisher, 1 kilo, fairly generic. And I'm just going to put it in here because, I've been traveling around, don't have one. Slack, very slack. And so I'm going to install that, show a bit. I think it's really simple. I've never done this before, so I guess we're going to find out together. I think it's simple, but let's find out. All right, let's begin. All right, being that this is just incredibly basic. It's you can't get it the wrong way. This bracket, and the holes line up, and they're just going to go on top just like that. You'll see I've got a ram mount that holds my iPad, and I thought that might interfere, but it looks pretty simple, and that can go underneath that bracket, can't it? Yeah. So I guess before I whack that in, I'll have to mount the fire extinguisher, which it looks fairly simple. The fire extinguishers, I don't think I want the nozzle towards where you might be able to kick that, so I can be fairly certain I'm going to want it that way, and I'll figure out as I do it how far across I want it. So it's seems simple. That just flips off, flips out. My gosh, I can put the fire extinguisher up and away. I can just get this mounted to here, and work out the depth that I want the fire extinguisher to sit at. The nozzle's there. I don't want it to intrude too far, but there's about right. Yeah. Cool. I guess I better do that. Just inspect this message, see if I've got anyone who loves me. Oh yes. Alright, and so since I figured that out, it looks like the way the bolts have got to go. The bolt on the inside of the fire extinguisher bracket. Another video, then I'm like, is this even worth a video? Why not? If you want to see how easy these things are to install, and they're very generic for most or all cars, most four-wheel drives, I think. So I can't wait to see what it's like, and it should be nice and quick to remove if I need it in a hurry, because that's one thing. If you need a fire extinguisher quick, you're going to want to get to it quick. That goes without saying, doesn't it? Alright. And back to it. I keep getting interrupted with phone calls. I guess I need to make sure 100% where this is going to be. Yeah, so that's probably a little bit too close there. I reckon all the way that side. I'll find out whether I kick this get in the passenger side or not. I don't think so, but either way I'll find out. But this is so far, very easy job. Yeah, gotta get a couple of 8mm and tighten that up. Well, they look like 6, don't they? Cool. Here's hoping. I don't think that fan will be too loud, but I tell you what, it It is so humid right now. It is so humid. Oh. See if I can do this a bit better. It's about that. Obviously not too tight on these tiny little bolts. Alright, that's that, and I believe they're going to be 14, yep, of course, typical Toyota size. And just wondering whether I should put this under that bracket. There's no reason why I can't. Don't jam that under there while you do it. Alright, so that's the bracket in. Oh, there may be an issue with that. Might have to sneak it further. Yes, definitely. That's why you always trial these things, because you never quite know how they're going to turn out. Alright, try that. That over there. If that was needed in a hurry, and just sweet. All right, comprende. That's it. Done. All right, thank you very much for watching this short little, or this little fitting video. It's there. It's, you know, my feet seem to, you know, I'm going to touch it a bit, but the mat, I guess, will fold over it. But you know, I guess I should grab that now. Just to see whether this is really going to be what it's going to be. Yeah, and if I get in, yeah, it's definitely no obstruction. Yeah, what can I say? I mean, that was probably one of the easiest little fits that I've ever had to do. And I mean, I do some like really easy jobs here and there for myself and others, which is cool. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. It's incredibly humid. You probably see sweat dripping off me, and it's only it's 10 to 8 in the morning. I've finished, and I'm already sweating. My clothes are wet. Very humid in the northwest in summer, and Cool. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.